Hi and welcome back. Now let's discuss this function where we need to remove the capital characters from the given string. So again, the algorithm is very simple. We are iterating over the given string for ch in mystr, and we are checking whether the character ch is a capital character by this condition: ch is greater than equal to capital A and ch is smaller than equal to capital Z. If it is the case, then the ch is a capital character. Now to check this ch is not a capital character, what we are doing is we are putting this condition in a not function using the not operator. So ultimately the result of this particular statement will be to check whether the given character is not a capital character. If it is not a capital character, then we can add this character to the new string which we are making in this particular loop. We initialize the new string to blank string in the beginning, and slowly we are appending all the desired characters in this new string. We have used this shorthand operation plus equal to. The result of this particular statement will be same as writing new str is equal to new str plus ch. We have been using these kind of operation in our past examples. So this is another variant of achieving the same thing. Finally, this function is returning the new str which is formed in this particular loop, and it is removing all the capital characters from the given string. In the main function, we have just called this function on the given string and printing the output. Let's try to run this program. So as we can see that the given string was hello world with H and W capital, and in the result the capital characters H and W have been dropped and all the remaining characters remained as it is. So the program is working fine for this particular case. So with this, thank you for your time in this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.